Wind warning. Issued at Sunday 10:51 a.m. February 16, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. Strong winds that may cause damage are expected or occurring. Maximum gusts, southwesterly 90 km per hour. Locations, Fundy National Park and Moncton and southeast New Brunswick. Time span, overnight tonight until Monday afternoon. Hashtag. High winds may toss loose objects or cause tree branches to break. Motorists, especially in high-profile vehicles, may expect hazardous driving conditions on highways subject to strong crosswinds. Wind warnings are issued when there is a significant risk of damaging winds. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to endstorm@ec.gc.ca or post reports on X using hashtag NBStorm.